Headless chicken. Friends, if I tell you that a chicken can survive and even walk around without its head, you might find it hard to believe. But let me assure you, this is not a joke. It's a real phenomenon. Watch this video where you can see a headless chicken moving around as if nothing has happened. What's even more surprising is that this could happen to other chickens as well. But how is this possible? The reason behind this lies in the nervous system of chickens, which is quite different from that of humans. While humans rely entirely on their brains to control their bodies, chickens have nerve cells spread throughout their bodies. These cells, known as brainstem cells, help regulate movement even if the head is removed. However, not every chicken can survive after losing its head. Only those whose jugular veins remain intact during decapitation have a chance of staying alive. Despite this, their survival is temporary, as they eventually die due to the lack of food and water. One of the most famous cases of a headless chicken surviving for an extended period was Mike the headless chicken in 1945. Mike lived for an astonishing 18 months after losing his head. His owners kept him alive by feeding him food and water through a syringe. Headless snake. There is a snake in the world that people either fear or kill on sight, often cutting off its head from its body. However, you might be surprised to know that even after being decapitated, this snake's head can still attack for up to an hour. It can inject all its venom into a person even after being separated from its body. The reason behind this is that a snake's severed head can still sense heat around it. If anything warm, like a human, comes close, it perceives it as a threat and may strike in defense. A real-life incident related to this happened in 2013 in China. A chef was preparing a dish using a cobra and had chopped it into pieces. As he was cooking, the severed head of the snake suddenly bit him. Unfortunately, he couldn't make it to the hospital in time and lost his life due to the venom. Planarian flatworm. The planarian flatworm is a fascinating creature commonly found in the waters of the Amazon. However, some species of this worm can also survive in damp environments outside of water. What makes this creature truly remarkable is its extraordinary regenerative ability. If you cut a planarian flatworm into multiple pieces, instead of dying, each piece will regenerate into a completely new worm. Even more astonishing is the fact that the newly formed worms retain the memories of the original one. Because of this unique ability, killing a planarian flatworm by cutting it into pieces is impossible. These creatures typically die only if they are deprived of food or fall prey to larger animals.